Okay, today I want to show you how to play a very simple melody on the mandolin. Okay, we're going to start with a melody that everybody knows. It was written by Amadeus Mozart, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, many years ago. And you knew it as a child growing up. It's called Twinkle Twinkle, Little Star. Now for this, we're going to start on open A. So that open just means no fingers, right? So you're going to play two of those. Now we're going to play two E's, open E's, so no fingers on the E string. Now you're going to put your first finger on the second fret E string, and then open E again. Now you're going to put your third finger on the fifth fret A string for two of those. And then second finger on the fourth fret A string, two of those. First finger on the second fret A string, two of those. And then open A. Now we're going to do two open E's, two D's, or third finger on the fifth fret, two C sharps, or second finger on the fourth fret, one B, or first finger on the second fret, and repeat that. So two E's, two D's, two C sharps, one B, and then repeat the opening sequence. So two A's, two E's, two F sharps, one E, two D's, two C sharps, one B, sorry, two B's, and one A. So this is what it sounds like when you've got it all together. Okay, if you have any questions, head over to my website at www.asomusic.net, or you can post your questions in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.